Okay, Alana, so what I'm going to show you is the new login for MyBarstow, and it actually uses your Barstow Gmail account to actually log in. So as long as you're logged in on your Gmail account, it will just pass you through to MyBarstow. So the first difference is when you're at your MyBarstow login, instead of doing your first name dot last name, you do your Barstow email. So go ahead and enter your Barstow email. And that's going to include the @barstowschool.org. If you don't do it, it won't work. Good, then next. And then you don't have to do that, so just close that one down. And then it says it's converted to a Blackbaud ID, so go ahead and hit continue. And obviously that's a one-time thing. And then it's going to ask you, again, a one-time thing, which account you're using. You want to use your Barstow one, so click on that. And then it will ask you for the password. This will happen only if you're not logged into Gmail. Otherwise, it will just use your Gmail credentials. So hit next. And then you can just kind of hit X on that. And again, so then it takes you right in. So if you log out here, then from this point on, you can just hit sign in with MyBarstow. And it's automatically using your email account to get you in. And that's it. About the only thing that I want to let all the other students know when we start this up is that Safari may not work as expected. So if you have issues with Safari, go to Chrome or Firefox and you should be able to be fine. And that's it.